Welcome to our next lesson in analytical geometry. So find the coordinates of the midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices of A minus 2 0, B 3 4 and C 10 minus 1. How do we go about these problems? So we know the formula. It's a midpoint, it's very easy. So midpoint we have to find out of AB first. What is midpoint of AB? Is simply x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma 0 plus 4 divided by 2. That is minus 2 plus 3 is no 1 by 2. Half comma 2. So these two are the midpoint of AB. So what is the midpoint of BC? Equal to 3 plus 10 divided by 2, comma x coordinate, y coordinate is 4 minus 1 divided by 2 is now 13 by 2. You can take it right as 6.5 and 1.5. Then now next is 3 by 2. We can write as 1.5. R you can put half R as the first one, you can write as 0.5 and half 2. Next, what is midpoint of CA? It is 10 minus 2 divided by 2, comma minus 1 plus 0 divided by 2. Or you can write it as first system is 8 by 2 as it's 4 and comma is minus half. Or you can also write 0.5. You apply the formula also no. Now if you apply the formula, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. Denominator is m plus 1 is equal to 2. Here 1 multiplied by the x1, here also 1 multiplied by x2. Similarly, same, wherever it is, the same formula will come to this. Apply the formula. Next, what is determine the perimeter of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 2, 7, 2, and 7, 5. So now he talks about perimeter means we have to find the distance. So just for convenience sake, we'll mark 3 to as A, B we'll mark it as 7, 2, C we'll mark it 7, 5. For the perimeter, AB plus BC plus CA. So what is AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Same formula for R. AB is equal to root of 7 minus 3 the whole square plus 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So 7 minus 3 is 4 square and you take the root is equal to root of 4 square is equal to 4. So we can find what next. You can write what is BC. BC is equal to root of 7 minus 7 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. First, this will become 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. Root of 3 square is equal to 3. 4, 3. What about C? What is C? Root. So it is 3 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square is equal to root of 3 minus 7 is 4 square minus 4 square. Other is minus 4 square plus 2 minus 5 is minus 3 square is equal to root of minus 4 square is minus 4 into minus 4. That is also 16 plus minus 3 to minus 3 is plus 9 is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. So 4 plus 3 plus 5. 3 sides we know. What is perimeter? P is equal to perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 12. What is the answer? Now, if the points are given and coordinate points are given, we can find the distance between the 2 points and we can correlate it many other ways. If we know the distance, each distance, we can find out whether it is a rectangle or a square. If the other distance are same, AB, if AB is equal to BC plus AC is equal to triangle. If you have got 4 sides, if all the 4 sides are equal, you get a square. Or you can prove it's a rectangle. Next problem is C. Show that the 4 points are the vertices of a rectangle. So how we can prove? You take this point as A, this point as B, this point as C, D. So you try to find out what is AB. AB is equal to root of. So in this point, we have to remember the formula. So distance between 2 points, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we'll apply the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to root of. First is 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus, here is minus 4 minus of minus 2 the whole square is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6 square plus 4 minus of minus 2 is 4 plus 2, 4 plus 6 plus 6 square. So this is equal to root of 6 square. You can take it by 1 plus 1. 6 square you can take 6 square root you can take is equal to 6 root 2. So we'll now see what is BC. BC is equal to root of same formula 5 minus 8 whole square plus 7 minus 4 You square with this plus or minus, the product will become positive. It's equal to root of minus 3 the whole square plus 3 square. Minus 3 square 9, this is also 9. Is equal to root of 9 plus 9 is equal to root of 9 into 1 plus 1. 9 if we take out become 3 plus 3 root 2. So find CD is equal to, similarly if we find root of minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square is equal to root of 6 square plus 6 square, same as the first one. This 6 root 2 dA is equal to root of 2 minus of minus 1 the whole square minus 2 minus 1 the whole square. The whole thing becomes square is equal to root of 3 square plus 3 square is equal to 3 2. Now all the four sides of the sides are equal. So opposite sides are equal. You can take not all the four sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Can be a parallelogram also. Now we have to find out, opposite sides are equal, it can be a parallelogram. Now what is the angle between, how we can prove now? So we will find the slope of AB. What is slope of AB? Y by x is equal to, y means here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to 4 minus of minus 2 minus of minus 2 then become plus. Now you find the slope. Slope is 1. So if you find similarly slope of BC is minus 1. So product of the slope is 1 multiplied by minus 1 to minus 1. The product of slope is equal to minus 1 AB, So B's come AB and BC. These are perpendicular. If product of the slope is equal to minus 1, one angle is 90. What is the opposite angle? That is also 90. Similarly, the other two angles are also 90. So then it's a rectangle. So we can prove the same thing in a different way also. Can you think of, without finding slope, can you find? You find the distance between AB, AC. You find you find AC. So how you draw? Okay, we will draw a rectangle. A, B, C, D. So around it can be a parallelogram. So find what is AC and BD. If they are equal, then it is a rectangle. How? In a parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. If diagonals are equal, then it is a rectangle. This way also you can try. Next problem. Find the coordinates of the point C which divides the joint of on the point A 26 B 51 in the ratio of 2:3. So in this question we have to find the slope. Where we have to find the point C which divides the line AB in the ratio of 2:3. So we use the formula. You know what is M? M is equal to 2. N is equal to 3. Mx2 plus Nx1. That formula will simply apply. What is M? In this case 2. 2 multiplied by x2. X2 is 5. 2 multiplied by 5 plus N is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 divided by M plus N. 2 plus 3. Come on. The other point is 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 6 divided by M plus N. 2 plus 3. So the answer is 2 5s are 10 plus 6 16 divided by 5 or 20 divided by 5. 2 1s are 2 plus 80. 20 divided by 5. Or instead of this we can write this as we divide by 5 is equal to 3.2, 4. You can mention like this. 16.5, no? How you this something like 3 plus something. 4 we can easily draw the graph in the point, This is how we mark. Next problem. In what ratio does P46 divide the join of A minus 2, 3 and B 6, 7? In this case, the point is given. We have to find what is ratio. M is to N we have to find. The same formula we will apply now. P 4, 6 is equal to, so M multiplied by x2. x2 is 6 plus N multiplied by x1. It is minus 2 divided by M plus N. So this is equal to 6M minus 2N divided by M plus N. So we know the point 4, 6 P is equal to. So we have to cross multiply, So this is X point. X point is 4. This is Y point. So the entire of this is X1. Comma. Similarly, why we can find that is equal to. So this one is equal to, this is X point, Comma Y toward the Y point. M into 7 plus N into 3 divided by M plus. So we'll equate these two. So these two are equal. So we cross multiply 4 multiplied by M plus N equal to 6M minus 12. So 4M you take this side, 2 2n, it takes that 4n, 6n is equal to 2. Okay, so what we require? So what is the ratio? So m by n is equal to 2 by 6 or is equal to 1 by 3. So m is to n equal to m divided by n is 6 divided by 2, not 2 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. See here, we are be careful. It's equal to 3 issue 1. 3 is to 1. 3 means you can write as 3 divided by 1. M divided by n is m is here, n is here. Divide both sides by 2. Then you get m. You can take this m divided by the 6. You take below. Divided by 2n rather. Then we get m by n is equal to 3. 3 by 1. So we can try with y also. Here also we get same answer. Now 6 is 6. 6 is y coordinate. Y is equal to, about this one. If you try this with this also, we get same. M is to n is equal to 3 is to 3. We get. Please you can try this also as a confirmation. Thank you. Please repeat the problems. So what we have to remember, we know the coordinate. Applying the formula, you can find out the distance. If you know the distance, you can find out the area. Slope, you can find out. If you know the slope, you can find out other things. Thank you.